Zoom people, can you hear me? Okay. Good morning, everyone. So we will continue our lecture on portfolio management. Yesterday, we were discussing on systematic and unsystematic risk. We first understood characteristic line where x is equal to beta m plus alpha. Two examples we saw, and then using second example I taught you a lot of things here, in which I taught you this important concept of how to make a dummy line or how to create a dummy relation between x and m. The dummy relation between x and m, x is equal to 0.7 m plus 12. That relation we had already established in part A earlier, but now we realize that okay, that relation is dummy because it creates a line that is actually representing all the coordinates. The coordinates are scattered. The correlation is not plus 1, it is not perfect. The coordinates are scattered. But we want to know what is the relation between both, we need a dummy line, we need a dummy equation which represents everyone. That is the line of best fit. Correct? So here Rxm not equal to plus 1, points are scattered. Therefore, we are not able to figure out the relation between x and m. However, in order to give some relation, we have to understand how to draw a dummy line, create a linear equation. The above process is called as regression. To draw a dummy line, we will need to know origin of the line, that is nothing but alpha, slope of the line, that is nothing but beta. In A earlier, we already done that, x equal to 0.7 m plus 12. And then I told you, okay, if this relation is to be followed, then when m is 10, x should have been 19. When m is 20, x should have been 26. When m is 30, x should have been 33. Calculation of error coefficient. Error, you understand everyone? Error is the difference between actual x and the x as per the characteristic line equation. That is the error. The summation of the errors is 0. Everybody clear na? Summation of errors are 0. Summation of this error is 0 is the proof that our line of best fit is actually an average of all scattered observation. It cuts everything in center. So plus and minus deviations become 0. And then one magic show I showed you yesterday, where I showed you how there is no relation, there is no correlation between E and M, because as I told you yesterday, till the time the security moves on the line, that is systematic risk. It goes off the line, it is unsystematic risk. Everyone clear? Remember, no, this systematic and unsystematic? Okay. So I'll write here. When m equal to 0, x equal to 12. You understand this? Alpha 12. It starts from 12. Correct? When m increases to 10, x increases from 12 to 23. 23 is the actual movement. Now see what I am writing. See if you remember this yesterday's explanation. The movement of X from 10 to 19 can be explained, sorry, not 10, but from 12 to 19 can be explained as being due to its dependency with the independent variable M. It is happening because of it's on the line, na? 10. Till this point, X lies on the line, causing Rxm to be plus 1. You're understanding, no? It is on the line. This 7% movement in X due to a 10% movement in M. This 7% movement in X due to a 10% movement in M is the systematic risk. Of security X. Is it making sense? A systematic risk of security X. I'll write in bracket beta equal to 0.7 times. Beta equal to 0.7 times we already have earlier. You understand now? Here I think you can see 7 and 10. Getting it now? 0.7 times. The additional movement of X, that is from 19 to 23, will be considered as unexplained. That is independent of market. Is this language clear? Independent of market. Such movement, and okay, in bracket I will write Ex equal to 4. You understand? There is an error of 4. There is an error of 4. Such movement will be considered as unsystematic risk of security X. USR, or I'll write like this. Ex has no relation with market. I'll put a dot and then this will continue. You understand now? No relation, correlation 0. All done? So this was yesterday's lecture. Now students, today's lecture I am continuing. Lot of things are there in this only to discuss. Can we start? Okay. Okay. Students, now what I am going to teach you now is exam point of view. Okay. It is exam point of view. Please pay attention. exam, we will be hey, how's it looking? In exam, good na? Thank you. In exam, we will be asked to calculate total risk and bifurcate it between SR and USR. Read this, please. Understood? In exam, we will be asked to calculate total risk and bifurcate it between SR and USR. Now look at me. Total risk means the movement from 12 to 23. 11. In that bifurcation, 7 is SR, 4 is USR. Everybody clear, na? That bifurcation will be required. But see, here I am teaching you bifurcation of only one observation from 12 to 23. But in reality, you have to calculate the average observation of everything and all, and hence little bit complicated formula will be there. Don't panic, I'll show everything. Okay? Listen. TR equal to SR plus USR. You understood this? Total risk is equal to systematic risk plus unsystematic risk. Total risk, students, can I say is your sigma? Everyone there, total risk is the sigma, no? Total. Hello. You remember, na? William Sharp came and said this is total risk and all that. Systematic risk, na, is beta x into sigma m. Sir, what is this? Anyone can figure out how is this the systematic risk? Yes. Students, market changes by 10%. Your beta is 0.7. I hope you understood 7. Everyone clear, no? And USR, students, is to be found as balancing figure. Everyone, are you able to understand? No need to calculate error coefficient and all in the market. Getting it, na? In the market, in the exam. No need to do all that. All done. Now, one thing one should ask. Sir, systematic risk is beta, no? Yes. Beta is an indicator of systematic risk, no? Yes. Then how is systematic risk like this now? Because children, please understand, beta is an indicator, but can I say beta is indicated as times? I want to know systematic risk as a percentage. You're understanding now? For that I am calculating this. Everyone following? Total sigma. Sigma is a percentage. When I say of this sigma, something is SR and something is USR. This SR cannot be expressed in times now if this is percentage. You're understanding, no? Pakka, clear? Kandipa? Artha ita? Okay. So, that's the formula. Now there is a problem. The problem is mathematically this equation works perfectly only if expressed in variance terms. Are you listening? On a normal calculation it doesn't work. It works only on a squared basis. So my request to you all will be, for logic purpose, don't look at the square. Everyone clear? No? Variance is nothing but sigma square, you understand, no? So for logic purpose, don't look at the square. For logic purpose, look at the baseline of what exactly is happening. But for exam purpose, since statistics was taught to you, I don't know if you remember, that I told you yesterday also, What is systematic risk not to us? In statistics is to be called as explained variance, not explained standard deviation. You're understanding, no? It's an explained variance, unexplained variance. It's everything is there on variance calculations. Everyone following this whole, meaning the whole concept is set on variance calculation. Everyone following? So for that, take the square of everything you're doing. All done? So now in exam, how to crack this? Very simple. See. So do you realize only two steps you have to do? One is find the TR, other is find the SR. Can I say USR will be a balancing figure? Everybody clear, na? USR will be a balancing figure. By the way, for SR, no, there is one more formula in statistics. RXM square into sigma x square. Okay? Where RXM square is coefficient of determination. Have you heard of this term ever? COD, R square. No problem, I'll explain. Huh? So, okay, now how to solve the question? Okay, see. Step 1. Calculate total risk. That is sigma x square. Okay. Here 1, 2, 3 xm. No, I am not required actually. X. You remember those weird numbers I had given 23, 18, 37. Everybody ready? And the x bar I guess was 26. For sigma x square, we need summation x minus x bar the whole square, the whole by n. There is no under root. Okay. So x minus x bar the whole square. So 23 minus 26, 3 square 9, 18 minus 26, 8 square 64, 37 minus 26, 11 square 121, 121 plus 9 is 130, 130 plus 64 is 194. This is 194 divided by 3. What is the answer, please? 64.66. 64.67. Now it basically, okay, 64.67. What is this? This is the total risk. Total. This is SR USR combo. Everybody clear, na? Total movement of X. Next, I will do step 2. Step 2. Calculation, or you can say calculate systematic risk. Now, can I say systematic risk is sigma, systematic risk is beta x square into sigma m square. Beta x means beta of x, you are understanding now? Beta of x square into sigma m square. Now, beta can I say, if you remember, was 0.7 square. Everybody clear? In exam, I hope you understand, you'll have to first calculate the beta. Here we have already done it, no? Hence, I am directly taking the number. In exam, you have to calculate the beta. So, in case now you want, I'll just write here. Everyone clear? But here I am directly taking because we have already done it in the past. Okay. So 0.7 square. I don't know if you are understanding, students. Do you realize if you are calculating beta, no, sigma m square is automatically calculated. Do you know how? Formula, na, covariance xm upon sigma m square. No, that is there. Automatically it happens. So sigma m square, when we calculated beta, was how much? Let's see. Oh no, you must be having it, because you know this calculation you all had done on your own. Just check example 2 of part A. 66.67. Thank you so much. 66.67. 66.67. So students, can you please tell me how much is this? 0.7 square into 66.67. 32.67. 32.67. All done. And last, can I say USR will be TR minus SR. You're understanding now? TR minus SR, total risk minus systematic risk. Total risk, students, here is how much? 64.67. Na? This is your TR. 64.67. So I'll write here 64.67 minus SR 32.67. 32.67, and that comes to 32. Everybody clear? Students, you will find in ICAI, this is referred to as sigma EX square. You understand, no? It is the error coefficient, variance, of course, sigma of error coefficient, variance. But can I say we will never be asked to calculate E and all that. You understand, no, what I am trying to say? Just know that the value given is error coefficient sigma. Everyone clear? Hello. So just for general knowledge, I'll say verification year 1, 2, 3. You remember you had these error coefficients last lecture, and just 1 minute. Okay, so students, E bar, can I say 0? E bar is 0. So if I want to find sigma EX square, it will be summation E minus E bar, the whole square by n. You are understanding what I am doing here? E minus E bar, the whole square by n. So E minus E bar, the whole square, if I do 4 square 16, 64, 16. You understand this, everyone? And total, can I say, will come to 96. This will be 96 divided by 3, which will be 32. And I hope you realize that same 32, why to do all this calculation? Forget it. Now balancing figure you will get. Everybody clear, no? Did you understand? Understood? So I first of all wrote in your notebooks, what I am giving in your notes, what is to be done in exam. Just telling you background of what the 32 actually means. And just to show this matching to you, I made you go through all of this error coefficient calculation, this and that. Trust me on this. Outside, you know how it is taught. Calculate total risk, calculate systematic risk, balance is unsystematic risk. Game over. There is nothing, and that is also correct only because do you realize there is nothing else needed for you to know? Not needed, but nothing else from exam point of view, just these many steps only are required. Got clarity? But I think now you know exactly what you are doing. Huh? Okay, so I guess we are done with everything. Now out of this, what all you want to write? Everything. I'll give you PDF. You'll write at home to save time of lecture. I'll share PDF with you. From where it is pending? From point B, na? Okay, so do one thing. In the notebooks, no? You write from here. You understanding? This you write. Basic steps to be followed and all that. Sorry. Beheading you want, no? No, not beheading, beheading. So, calculation of systematic and unsystematic risk. Write only till 32, huh? No need of verification. All done? Now for the notes, I'll give you all of this, don't worry. Okay? You have some WhatsApp group amongst yourselves? You have, no? So I'll share with whose number I have. I think 2-3 people had sent me some messages. I'll send it to you, don't worry. Okay. So I would now request you to come to question number 'Hmm. You remember there was one point B left somewhere. I'll tell you. 24. You remember 24? 24 point number 2 is left. Sir, tell me to add me in the group. Eh? How to tell me to add me? Students, I'll just put that message, chat box message for everyone option, and tell and those who is the someone who is the admin or someone, please just put that link. Okay, I know you all are doing a very important job of admin of WhatsApp group. So please, do your duty and put the message of that link on the group so that the needy and poor get advantage of such government schemes. Okay, ready? So students, in question 24, I think point number 1 we had completed. I want to ask you, can you complete point number 2 using these steps? Okay, start. Others, thank you. I'll also join. No, 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 no. Unofficial, unofficial. First, calculate total risk, that is sigma x square. want you to get it till USR, huh? Get USR also. Ready? I'll show you my solution. Check the three numbers. In fact, just check USR number. If that is right, everything has to be right. Correct? Can I go ahead? Great. So now students, we move on to point number C. Okay, please pay attention, don't write. Point number C. Very, very important. Okay, listen carefully. Do you remember Markowitz? No, he said sigma p is equal to wx square sigma x square plus wy square sigma y square plus 2 wx wy covariance xy the whole under root. Correct? This was Markowitz formula. Instead of covariance, you can also write sigma x into sigma y into rxy. Everybody clear? No? That was formula given, which is the formula of sigma p we have been using since long. Now Sharp has given his own formula. Everybody clear? Sharp has given his own formula where he says sigma p equal to beta p square into sigma m square plus wx square sigma ex square plus wy square sigma ey square plus w wn square sigma en square. Also, this part is systematic risk, this part is unsystematic risk. Okay, I'll explain, don't worry. See, So okay, students, I hope everyone remembers this formula. Just now we did, no? Just now, hello, systematic plus unsystematic risk. Correct? Hello, just now we did, no? Hello, everyone there? Okay. Can I say sigma x square becomes sigma p square? You are understanding what I am trying to say? Beta x square becomes beta p square. Everybody clear? Instead of security beta, we now have portfolio beta. Everyone following? Sigma m square remains sigma m square and sigma ex square, can I say, will become the weighted average sigma ex square. Everybody clear, no? Wx into sigma ex plus wy into sigma ey. Everyone clear? Basically weighted average. Sir, why is there no weighted average? See, I understand, sir, in unsystematic risk, we have to take weighted average of all the unsystematic risks. Why is there no weighted average of the systematic risk? It is there, na children. I hope you are understanding. In beta p is wx beta x plus wy beta y. Everybody understood what I am trying to say? It's basically weighted average now. You got clarity about the formula? Okay. You want to write everything that is there on the screen or only the formula? Everything. Okay. Paisa vasool. Okay, no problem. Right. All done? I'll start the questions. Please come. Just 1 minute. Please come to question number 23. Actually, wait. Yeah, come to 43. Come to question 43. Read it, please. All done? Look at the screen. These are betas. This is the sigma EX. Everybody clear na? E of X. E of I means E of investment. Everybody clear na? Error coefficient. Got it? Please know that in your final answer, all this will get squared. Hello? You know, na? We need everything in variance form. Sigma EX square, beta X square. Everybody clear? Weight square. You are required to find the risk of the portfolio if market sigma is 18. Sigma M square we'll have to do. Everybody clear? No? All that is required. Students, look at the screen. Can I say sigma P square? I just now showed you. Sigma P square is, I hope you realize this bracket is beta P. Come on, come on. This bracket is beta P. WL into beta L plus WL, understood na? The whole square into sigma M square plus WL square sigma EL square, WM square sigma EM square, and so on. Everybody clear? This is sigma EM square. Okay. And then I just kept putting the numbers. You're getting it now? Just put the numbers there and find the answer. Just note, just for example, sigma EL, they have given 18 is the 18. Na? I had to do 18 square. You understand now what I'm doing? Hello? Clear? Small question. Knock it off. All done? Understood na? Simple number, put number in the formula, game over. Understood na how I have taken numbers? All clear? Anybody wants me to wait? Mahalakshmi, I should wait? Okay. Sandeep is not there today. Sandeep is there. Kusuma is there. Regular guests missing today. Today election result, no? All TV channels will be loud today. All done? Okay. I would now request you all to come to question number 23. Read carefully. Ready? Okay. The following details are given for X and Y company and the Bombay Sensex for a period of 1 year. This is X, this is Y, this is M. Understood na? Market. Calculate SR and USR for the company stocks. Ready? Look at the screen. This is X bar given. This is sigma. Okay, hold on. This is X bar, this is Y bar, this is M bar. This is sigma X square, sigma Y square, sigma M square. Variance, na? Variance. This is beta X, this is beta Y. This is RXM, this is RXM square. Okay. Now, to calculate systematic risk for X, can I say it will be beta square into sigma M square? Check please. Beta X square into sigma M square. That is systematic risk. This, can I say, is total risk? Please check. Can I say difference between total and systematic? Will be unsystematic. Everybody clear? Can I say we can easily find out SR and USR for both companies? Now I had given one more formula to find SR. Another formula to find SR is take the correlation coefficient between X and M, square it. After squaring you are getting 0.18 multiply by sigma x square, you will get the same answer. See, what I am trying to say is, this part is there, no? This is the original formula, but you can use this also. You getting it? Students, beta x square into sigma m square, correct? Can I say beta x square will be covariance xm into sigma, hold on, not into, sorry, upon sigma m square. Just 1 minute or something. Just give me 1 minute. Huh? I was just thinking something mathematical. It just came to my head and it just vanished. Just give me 1 minute. I wanted to give you a proof of why both of these will give you same answer. You're understanding, no? Why both of these will give same answer. I just got blanked out. Hold on. Yeah, got it. Come back. Somewhere in my mind some khichdi happened. Come here. Ready everybody? So beta x square into sigma m square. Everyone ready? Now what is beta? Students, tell me what is beta. Beta, can I say, is covariance xm upon sigma m square. Everybody clear? Do you understand the whole square? I forgot that whole square actually. I was thinking what went wrong. Into sigma m square. Everyone clear? Now what to do? Can I say this will be covariance xm square upon sigma m square into sigma m square, the whole into sigma m square. Are you all understanding? I just squared it. This gets cancelled. Now covariance xm is what? You remember covariance is nothing but Rxm into sigma x into sigma m square. Covariance square is there, na, in numerator. The whole upon sigma m square. Now this sigma square and sigma m square get cancelled. And what is left is this formula. Understood? Time pass we are doing. You understand? I'm just trying to tell you both are same only. Everybody clear? Both are same only. In statistics, no, R square is called as coefficient of determination. I'll just tell you once, if you understand, okay, otherwise forget it. R square, correlation square, is called as coefficient of determination, which when multiplied by total risk of the security what we find is the explained variance, is the definition. You understand, no? So variance into coefficient of determination is explained variance. You're understanding? Explained means basically I can explain it is happening because of m, like that. Everyone clear? That is what statistics operate, but you don't need not know this. In fact, you don't even need to know this. Just this much is enough. Everybody clear? No? One formula is enough. Okay. Okay. See, I can draw. Done? Alright. So, yeah, where were we? This question. So, do you realize in this question, students, look at the screen. Can I say to find systematic risk, I can use beta into sigma m, that formula I'll of course use. I can also use r square into variance. You're understanding, no? Both are same only. For y, however, do you realize we can only use one formula because that, you know, that second part is not available, information is not available. Done? Next, students, it's a test. If equal amount of money is allocated for the stocks, what would be portfolio risk? 0.5, 0.5. You understand? If 50-50 is allocated to the stocks, what would be portfolio risk? Students, I hope you know what the formula. Sigma p square is equal to beta p square into sigma m square plus w x square into sigma e x square, and all that. You understand? Just now formula I taught you. Put numbers and get the answer. Want to try this question? 8-mark question. Start. Students, whenever there are these terms called systematic, unsystematic and all, na, there is no Markowitz. You're understanding, no? The hint is, it is sharp. For X, are you getting these three answers? 6.3 is total risk. That is question I had given. Systematic risk by both formulas I am getting 1.134. And unsystematic risk is the balance 5.166. All clear? Why total risk is 5.86 given in the question? Systematic risk 1.056. Unsystematic risk 4.804. And then sigma p square I got 3.5871. Acha, your beta is different, huh? Something is wrong. Okay. Oh. So I guess something different will happen here. Okay. Beta is different, no? Beta is different. How much is your beta? 0.27. So your answer comes to systematic risk answer 0.6075. What is unsystematic risk? That 6075 is wrong. Okay. What to do now? Forget it. How much? 0.1640. Final answer 5.696. All done. Total of 5.86, 0.1640, 5.696. Done. Then comes the sigma p square formula. Here this beta changes, this changes. Is this correctly written? Just check. And the final answer therefore will change to What is Adarsh saying? Is he right or wrong? It's there in front, no? Why is everyone getting different answers? Others you did 2.25 square. It is already variance, no? Moy, moy. Okay. Alright. So this is correct, no? Achha, now just check the last. Am I put the numbers correctly? Now tell me final answer. Sigma p square 15.32 and therefore sigma p will be root of 15.32 3.91. Is this the answer? Krishna got this answer? No, you got something else. Raghunandan, God knows what answer I am getting. I am to come here for copying. Raghunandan, give me your answer, no? Mohammed, what is your answer? You all are doing. Okay. Meanwhile, Mahalakshmi. Okay, she also got 3.91. So two people have got 3.91. So I think that must not necessarily be the correct answer. You understand, no? Krishna is getting 3.26. Oh God. Tanisha and me are right. Correct. Find out who wrote this golden words. Mohammed is getting 3.26. Okay, so now there are two people who have got 3. Boys are getting 3.26, girls are getting 3.91. Hopefully nobody gets an average between these two. I don't know what I'll call you then. Anyone else? What you all are doing simple is there in front of you. Hey, one more girl got 3.26. Oh God. Mahalakshmi and Tanisha, your party people have switched over to other party. 3.26. Raghunandan got 3.26. Very good. So I think 3.26 is the answer. So, oh. 3.26 is the answer before pressing the root sign? Okay. Therefore, sigma p will be under root 3.26, 1.81. All done? Mahalakshmi and Tanisha, just write this down. Maybe after some time when you see, no, you'll get it right. It happens. Sometimes calculator mistake happens, no? You type correct numbers, the calci, no, machine error. It's a machine error. The error of omission, error of principal, error of commission, error of calci, like that. One more. Done? Okay. So we will now go to next question 46. Oh, very nice question, 46. Big and nice. Read it carefully, everyone. 46. Are we ready? This is also going to be a test for all of you. I'll explain. So following are the details of a portfolio consisting 3 shares. A, B, C. This is weight of A, weight of B, weight of C. Beta A, beta B, beta C. A bar, B bar, C bar. Sigma A square, sigma B square, sigma C square. Everybody following, no? Now I want you to know that yes, this is actually 1.5%. You're understanding, no? But ICAI has solved the whole question using these numbers only. So you stick to that. Everybody clear? We'll stick to those numbers only. Which means when standard deviation of market return comes, sigma m square, not square, sorry, sigma m comes, we will be using not 10 but 0.1. I hope everyone is following. Instead of 10, I'll use 0.1. You are given the following additional data: covariance AB, covariance AC, covariance BC. Correct? Hello, following now? You are required to calculate the following. Do you know how to do this? First point, weighted average, no? Simple weighted average. Hello, everybody clear? Not simple weighted average. It's very simple weighted average, like that. Everybody clear? Next. What is this? Any idea if this comes in the exam? What will you refer to? The residual means? Leftover. What residual means what? Very good. Students, they are asking you USR. Everyone clear now? They are asking you unsystematic residual balancing figure. You understand, no? You have to find sigma EI square. Got clarity? Point number 3. What are they asking? This is beta P. This is this. Portfolio variance means, can I say they are asking you sigma P square? Sharp formula, you know, na? Just now I taught you. Sir, again they are asking sigma P square. Sir, I will not do two times. No, you will have to do. Because the last time they are asking you is on the basis of the original theory. You remember? And in that, I hope you remember, there is a 3 security formula module I have done earlier. Risk and return of a 3 security portfolio, for which these 3 numbers you will require. You remember it is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2AC. You remember that? The whole under root no need to do because they are asking you variance. 8 mark question. Want to try? 2 marks for each. Start. Others no. Both are completely different theories. Answer won't be same. Keep it in squared. SR, USR. SR and USR if asked in the exam. Sandeep, I am saying that if they are asking you systematic risk, unsystematic risk, then the answer should be in variance only, not sigma. Systematic risk, how can it come negative? Not possible only, Adarsh. Beta is positive, sigma m square is positive, beta square into sigma m square is positive, no? How can it be negative? Check. Is answer to point 1 correct? Can I show you unsystematic risk calculation of ICAI? No, they are not getting positive. Sorry, negative. They are getting positive only. Anyone got these three numbers residual variance? Krishna got, Mahalakshmi got. Very good. So that means you can do it. Priyadarshini also got. Lakshmi also got. Thank you. Snega also got. Very nice. So those who have done some errors, 2 people have got negative USR. Can you please tell me what exactly you all have done? Something common mistake you all have done. No problem. Take your time. Yes, I understood. That is why I told you at the start, na, everything that ICAI has done is using 0 point answer. This one question, please. Otherwise, we do normally that only, what you have done. Okay. Should I show point number 3 answer or should I wait for 2 minutes? Wait, okay. All done? Students, point 3 answer, see what ICAI is getting. 0.018428, something like that. Are you getting that answer? I think whatever mistakes you all are doing are all mathematical. Numbers, this, that. No problem. Take your time. Too many numbers are there, but it's okay. Did you get your mistakes? Last answer also done. ICA has got 0.0363. Oh wow, you got it. Very nice. No, didn't get. Root not to do, huh? Don't root it. All done. Anybody needs a minute? I think no one. So I'll continue. Students, with that we finish point number, this was D, no? No, point number C, sorry. Now we'll go to point number D. In the notebooks, please give heading point D. Are we ready? Now students, in this I would like to tell you, look at me everyone, only two are there, but okay, I'll start. Students, this is one of those areas where take it and go ahead. You are understanding? It's beyond me to explain logic. Too much mathematical complications. Hardly comes in the exam, but it is there in the module. You're understanding, no? Only one question is there in ICI's history. Since years and years, only one question is there, Mr. Ramesh. That question you have to do. Otherwise, apart from that, nothing great. And I'll show you the maths part of it now. You will understand why I am saying so. So, just want to tell you, William Sharp, no, he has given one technique of how to choose securities to be put in the portfolio. You are understanding? How to choose securities to be put in the portfolio, and he also goes ahead and gives one more information that what should be the weights of those selected securities. You are understanding in what weights you should invest, but there is too much maths involved there. See this. I am going to be showing my notes to you. You have to copy all of that, okay? Yeah, start copying, please. Don't panic. Start copying.
done?
I'll start. So my video went out. Okay, as I come back, please now read question number 37. Nikunj. क्या चिल्ला रहे हो? Okay, ready? So what are they saying? Ramesh wants to invest in stock market. He has got the following information about individual securities. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, no sorry, A, B, C, D, E, F, till F only it is there, okay. Expected return is Rx, beta is given to you, sigma Ex square is given to you, market variance sigma m square is given to you, IRF is given to you. What should be the optimum portfolio? Student, what is step number 1? Calculate ERR. Can you see that? Calculate ERR. And step 2, rank the securities based on ERR. Highest ERR will be rank 1 and so on. Everybody clear, no? So, look at my steps 1 and 2. Just study the first 2 rows on the screen. Rx minus IRF the whole upon beta. Rx minus IRF the whole upon beta. Like that I am getting ERRs and then I am ranking them. Everybody clear? Can you quickly complete this? Try on your own if you want, huh? No problem. All done? Can I start? Okay. Students, next, can I say we have to step 3, rearrange the securities rank wise. Rank wise rearranging means, can I say A will come first, F will come next, everybody clear no? B will come third, like that. Like that you put all securities. Wait, understand from me. Once that is done, we have to calculate something called as C factor. C factor, do you realize, is sigma m square into cumulation of A, the whole upon 1 plus sigma m square into cumulation of B, where A is equal to Rx minus IRF the whole into beta upon sigma Ex square, and B is beta x square upon sigma Ex square. Okay? You understood now why I said forget it? Huh? Okay. Also, I would like to tell you this A and B concept I introduced. In William Sharpe, there is one C factor formula which is a huge formula. You're understanding? So for students to make it easy, I put A and B there first so that you don't get afraid. And A and B I put it down. Okay. Now what is A? Rx minus IRF into beta. Now see how I'm doing it. Okay. I put security A first. Then I'm doing Rx minus IRF into beta, the whole upon sigma Ex square, and I get A as 0.3. Are you listening? Then can I say, sir, after A, why you took F? Because F has rank number 2. Now we rearranged it. For F, I did the calculation. I got the A as 0.35. Everybody clear? And then one column I'm making called as cumulative column. You're understanding now? CUMA. And we keep cumulating 0.3 plus 0.35 and so on. Everyone following? Like that, we have to find B also. Now B, can I say, is, look at the notes, beta x square upon sigma Ex square. That will give us B. And then you cumulate the B. Everybody clear? Once you are done with this table, I'll tell you what to do next. Everybody clear now? So first, my request to all of you is make the columns and keep ready. Write down steps 3 and 4. Everyone please, steps 3 and 4. Rearranging securities and calculating C factor. Rearranging securities and calculating C factor. Please start. First columns you copy from your headings, then you try on your own, please. All done? Okay. Now students, we have completed step 3 and we have the raw material for step 4. You are understanding now? Now step 4 is where you have to calculate the C factor. Everybody clear? This sigma m square into cumulation of A, the whole upon 1 plus sigma m square into cumulation of B. So students, in the notebooks, write down the formula for C factor, please, everyone. All done? And now see how I am doing it. Everyone, take your time, read for A. Everybody, actually for A and for F, these two you read, you'll understand everything. From where I got 10, sigma m square is given in the question. Into cumulative A, check in the row of security A, is cumulative of cumulation coming to 0.3? The whole upon 1 plus, again sigma m square, 10 into, is the cumulation B coming to 0.056? Put numbers, get the answer. Now check for F. Is the cumulation A coming to 0.65? Cumulation B 0.131. You understand enough from where I am getting numbers? Please try on your own calculation of C factors and please stick to the sequence. Don't say I will do anything I want. No, no, no. The whole purpose will be defeated. Go sequentially. All done? Okay. Now, according to their theory, what is step 5? Sir, 1 plus sigma m into cumulative B. Others, BODMAS. First multiply, then add. बस क्या BODMAS rule. Thank you. Everyone ready? So now according to Sharp, the next step is check from where the cutoff, the C factor is starting to drop. Students, C factor is starting to drop. Can I say from 2.81? From 1.92 it went to 2.81. And then you can see khata cut, it is dropping. Can you see? So hence the C cutoff factor is 2.81. Simple. Write down. You'll always get this. Always means there is only one question in ICA. It has always cutoff factor is 2.81. And then students, they say till the cutoff factor, which securities are there? Those securities will be selected. You're getting it? Securities A and F will be selected. So write down step 6. Securities A and F will be selected. Step 6. Understood na? A and F till 2.81. Students, I hope you all understand that these points which are given, na 1.92, 2. Tell me on chat box, this 2.81 belongs to which security? 2.81 belongs to which security? Tell me on chat box. I know it is obvious, but still answer. Just want to see how many are alert. It is F, no? Wrong answer. It is A and F. You are understanding, no? It's cumulative. So basically it is like this. If you put only A na, William Sharp is giving you 1.92 points. If with A you are putting F, he is giving you 2.81 points. If A, F, with that you put B, oh no, not good. And I hope you remember, you have already rearranged the securities from best to worst. You remember, na? So worst is taken, then points are falling. Everybody clear? Till the time it doesn't fall, that much securities you take. Everybody clear? That is the whole thing. Now students, is the time to calculate the weights. But to calculate the weights means now A and F is there, no? In what weights you will invest in A and F? For that you have to calculate something called as Z value. This is not the Z value of probability distribution curve. This is something else only. Z is equal to beta upon sigma Ex square, the whole into Rx minus IRF upon beta minus C. How did we get the cutoff factor? What? Hey, what are you all doing? I'm sorry, but this is shocking question. Done, no? Cutoff factor I have given, na formula. C factor. And cutoff factor is 2.81. It is from there the descent starts. After 2.81 it is going down. Anyways, so Z, so what are they saying? You have to find the Z value. Are you all there? Students, you have to find the Z value of A, you have to find the Z value of F. Everybody listening, no? A and F both you will have to calculate. Now very simple actually, if you remember the formula, you have to just put the numbers, there is nothing else. Sometimes students do this. You are understanding? Hello? You can't do that, it's in the bracket, that minus C is also there, okay? Students, please complete the Z values for A and F. I am waiting, try on your own if you want. First write down step 7, calculation of Z. All done? Students, one thing you noticed as you all are doing on your own, that minus C is there, no? That C is not the C factor, it is the cutoff rate. You understanding, no? It is 2.81 for both. Please note. Very important. Did you listen to me? 2.81 is for both. It is don't take 1.92 for A. I'll go ahead. Last step, students, calculation of weights. For that, listen carefully. Weights will be, there is a formula given by Sharp, Zx upon Zx plus Zy plus dot 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 Zn. But can I say there are no n for us, there are only two, na? A and F are there. Everyone clear, na? So can I say weight of A will be Za upon Za plus Zf. Everybody clear? Za upon Za plus Zf. This. And weight of F will be Zf upon Za plus Zf. Students, whatever weight you are wanting, that securities Z should be in the numerator. Everybody clear? And the combined Z should be in the denominator. All following now? And yeah, because there are only two securities here, WF could have been taken as 1 minus WA also. You getting it, no? You did not use the formula, no? 1 minus WA also you can do. So that's how they have done it. Please complete the last step and let's get out of this quickly. Krishna, yes, but I hope you understand from my viewpoint. Denominator, please check, is 1 0 extra there? Just check. This and this, please check once. Is it 0.188 or 0.0188? Okay. Thank you, Tanisha, Mahalakshmi. Mohammed, thank you for pointing out in the first place. Okay. All done? I'll go ahead. Yes, we can deep breathe now. We have successfully waded through sharky waters. Okay, so students, congratulations. With that, we finish Sharp single index model module A, B, C, D. 4 huge parts were there, but I hope you enjoyed the module. Except this last little bit kiri part was there. But apart from that, very logical, it was very nice. All that error and all that. Okay, all right. So now we will enter into second last module of the chapter. Second last concept, I might say. Third last module, because last module is going to be miscellaneous. So in the notebooks, please write what will be the module number now? 9, 10. Yes, no. 10. Please write down portfolio ranking tools. All done? Portfolio ranking tools. And students, the good news about this module is that you already know the tools. Look at the screen. Malakshmi, look at the screens. Sharp's index you know. Trainer's index you know. Same thing, excess return to risk. Excess return to risk. Jensen's alpha also you know, na? Hello, everybody there. So, you have seen this in mutual fund. Mutual funds also used to use this only for ranking. So, what, let's say there are 3 portfolios given. Calculate Sharp's index for all 3 portfolios. And then whichever one gives the highest is rank 1, then 2, then 3. That is ranking as, you understood now why we are ranking as per this. For every 1 unit of risk, how much premium you are giving, that is the ratio. For every 1 unit of systematic risk, how much premium you are giving, that is the ratio. Everyone clear? This is what I want. Look at the screen. This is what I want. This is what you are giving. The difference is what you are giving me extra over and above what I want. Rank according to that also. You understand? So ranking can happen based on any of these 3. Got clarity? There are more tools in real life, but in final CA syllabus, only this much is there. Everybody clear? Just copy this and keep point A, B and C. Everyone done? Wrote it? Okay. Please come to question number 26. Please come to question 26. Six portfolios experienced the following results during a 7-year period. So they have given to you A, B, C, D, E, F. This is their RX, this is RM, this is sigma X, this is sigma M, this is RXM, this is IRF. Rank the portfolios using Sharpe's method. Students, Sharpe's method, now what I will do, I will say, okay, write down with me in the notebooks please, question 26. Point number 1, in that point number A, ranking as per Sharpe's index. And then you please write down the Sharpe's index formula, Rx minus IRF the whole upon sigma x. And make 4 columns please, security, calculation, Sharpe's index, rank. Calculation big column, security, calculation, Sharpe's index, rank. Done? Write down security A. How will you calculate Sharpe's index? It will be Rx minus IRF, look at it again, Rx minus IRF divided by sigma. Everybody clear na? Divided by sigma. 18.6 minus 9 upon 27. And that comes to 0.356. Is to 1. Like that, can you please do it for all? In 1 minute, your paper will be snatched. I am coming to snatch the papers. First 3 rows papers already taken. You are sitting on the second last bench. Write fast. 8 marks, 6 marks, 6 months, come on. I hope nobody is filling up the rank column also with the calculations. Huh? First, you have to complete everything, then give rank. Everybody wants rank. Ranks cannot be F, C, D, A, B, E. Na? It has to be, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that you should give. 4, 5, 2, 3, 6, 1. Okay. 4, 5, 2, 3, 6, 1. Just check if that F, C, D, A, B, E is tallying with this only. I think it is tallying. Yes, same thing. Code language. Okay. I hope your supplements are tied. I was about to say, I hope your supplements are side. Write your names on the paper. Roll number. The right answers. Okay. So if you are done, thank you very much. You can leave. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Shankar, new cabinet ministry.